In this video, tayo ay magsosolve ng rational inequality. We will begin solving our rational inequality by writing it in the form f of x is greater than 0 or f of x is less than 0. Pay attention to the change in sign nung inilagay ko sa parenthesis yung x plus 3. Normally, students and even I myself am not comfortable kapag ang coefficient ng leading term is negative. So what I will do with the numerator is I will factor out negative 1. And pay attention to the changes in the signs of our terms inside our grouping symbol. I will multiply negative 1 to our rational function and pay attention dun sa mangyayari sa direction ng ating inequality. Okay, nagbago ang direction ng ating inequality. This is a property of inequalities. You know what? I kind of regret na ito ang problem na ibinigay ko sa librong ito eh. Kasi ang dami na natin ginawa and yet, hindi pa talaga natin nasisimula na solvein itong inequality nito eh. To teachers and students, I'm sorry na ito yung problem na ibinigay ko. To teachers, what you can do is pwede kayong dito na lang kayo magsimula. Ang inequality na inyong ibigay ay x squared minus x minus 15 all over x minus 4 is less than 0. Yun na lang ang problem na solving nyo. Let us find the critical numbers. The critical numbers of our rational inequality is or are the values of x which renders our denominator equal to 0 and our numerator equal to 0. For the denominator, the critical number is when x is equal to 4. But for the numerator, this is a function which is not easy to factor. So, gagamitan natin to ng quadratic formula. So, meron tayong tatlong critical numbers, 4, 4.4, and negative 3.4. Let us plot these numbers in our real number line. Our critical numbers give us 4 subintervals. We will investigate kung ano ang sign ng ating function in each of these intervals. So, kukuha tayo ng test number and we will investigate kung ano ang sign ng x plus 3.4, x minus 4.4, and ano ang sign ng x minus 4. Okay, some of you might be wondering saan nanggaling yung x plus 3.4 and x minus 4.4. X plus 3.4 and x minus 4.4 are the factors of x squared minus x minus 15. So that means that x squared minus x minus 15 is equivalent to the quantity x plus 3.4 times x minus 4.4. Gawin na natin ang sign analysis. We are after the sign of our function in each of these subintervals. We are not after the exact value of our function. We are after the sign. Kukuha tayo ng test number in each subinterval. Halimbawa, negative 5. O, ano yon? It's going to be negative, negative. So, positive over negative is negative. How about in the next subinterval? Halimbawa, 0. Okay, so it's going to be positive. How about dito? 4.1. Positive doon. Negative ka dyan. Okay, and then dito positive uli. So negative over positive is negative. How about 5? Okay. Saan ba nag-negative ang ating function? Siya ay nag-negative in the interval negative 3.4 to negative infinity at 4 to 4.4. So if you were to write it together, kailangan siya is written in the set notation or set interval notation. Is going to be negative infinity to negative 3.4 union 4 to 4.4. Let us write our solution in set builder notation. I will open GeoGebra and I will show you kung kailan nagiging less than 0 ang ating function. Our equivalent function is x squared minus x minus 15 all over x minus 4. Where is it less than 0? Pay attention to our critical numbers. It's negative 3.4 and positive 4.4. We are looking for the intervals where our function is negative. Our function is negative if its graph is below the x-axis. It is below the x-axis in the interval negative 3.4 to negative infinity, union 4 to 4.4. I will show you the vertical asymptote of this function. It is at x is equal to 4.